9 bedrooms, 9 bathrooms, surrounded by Lincolnshire countryside and a driveway long enough to give your postie a proper workout. Just 7 miles from Lincoln, this is Moor Farm Barns Paddock, a family home packed with potential. Let's take a look around. 4.5 acres is a lot of blank canvas. With this much land and the right planning permissions, this space could be truly transformed. The potential doesn't stop with the exterior spaces. With 9 bedrooms and a total area of 586 square metres, there is ample opportunity to make your mark on this property. It's really a question of what you want to make of it. The communal areas here are formidable, with an emphasis on an open plan layout, offering a huge amount of flexibility. The 2 large kitchens and dining areas function as the social hubs of the entire home, perfect for large gatherings. There is also 2 utility rooms and a reception room. We're not finished with the downstairs just yet. There's actually 3 bedrooms just through here. Each one has its own ensuite with shower, plus ample storage. The first floor is actually split across 2 wings, with 2 separate staircases to access them. Upstairs, we find 6 additional bedrooms. All the rooms are a decent size. And look at that view across the Lincolnshire countryside. Let's recap. 586 square metres of flexible living spaces on a 4.5 acre site in a picturesque corner of the Lincolnshire countryside. With this much potential in one site, for developers, investors or large families, I'm curious, if you own this property, what would you be doing with it?